The man's come out with a knife now. Boss, look here, look.
Go for me.
Look. Go, he's got a knife. Go.
Fucking idiot. You fucking idiot. You burn the Quran.
Go. He's got a knife as well.
No.
Oh, you got a knife, man. Come with the
fucking idiot.
Wait, don't come to me.
Go for me.
Listen, I'm just filming,
You're
yeah?
burning the Quran.
No, you shouldn't be. Listen.
It's my religion. You don't burn Quran.
Ah, what are you doing? Come on, man. What are you doing? You're standing out in public road with knife. Exactly, what are you doing?
Fucking bullies on the floor! Stand up, fight, you fucking bully! Fucking up!
You don't burn fucking...
He just did. He's done it. Unbelievable. He went into his residence here. He went into here, took a knife, come out and started attacking him with a knife. Unbelievable.